Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video I want to talk about the Sled and why I like this in terms of using this type of tool with clients with low back pain. Now, when it comes to people with back issues, I, for one, like using the Sled because, one, we can use it in a way where we can keep people in a more upright position. Two, for people that may be overweight or obese or have knee issues or just have a tough time getting to the ground and doing exercises like a glute bridge, this can be a nice alternative. Now, I typically either like to use this as a nice variation or I like to build upon it after working with a client that maybe has some more flexion-based issues, or if we have a client that, carries a little bit more weight or has some knee issues and it's really very difficult for them to get to the ground. I find the Sled is a nice little alternative exercise to train hip extension, get the glutes, the hamstrings going. So, one way I like to use this is doing a sled pull. So, to do a sled pull, we can take a band, thick band, place it around the two poles here. Now, we're just going to place this around the low back, just above the hips. And all we're going to do, hands on the band here. Now, we're not going to grip it, but we're going to walk back, focusing on activating the glutes. And as we get a little bit more comfortable, we can pick up the pace. And we're just going to walk all the way back. And then as we get to the end, we're going to pull it back. Stay in that upright position. Really focus on the glutes going. Now, typically how we'll use this is maybe 40 yards for sets of anywhere from 3 to say 8. Depending on the client, depending on their issues and where they're at. But I find this is a nice alternative for anyone with maybe back issues in terms of more flexion-based issues, or just having a difficult time getting to the ground. It tends to be a nice little device because we can train the lower body, get the glutes going, hamstrings, work on that hip extension, but train ourselves in a more upright position, which tends to be spine-friendly for a lot of people, and just have them drag the weight back and forth, focusing on getting those glutes going. So, just a nice little device that I like to use. Not everyone has access to it, but can come in handy at sometimes. I just wanted to share that with you guys as a nice little alternative that maybe you guys can add into your workouts or in terms of programming. If you're someone that works with back issues, or maybe just looking for some alternatives if you have back issues currently. So give it a try out, let me know.